friends and good clean fun. Whatever happened to cookie crumbs from just the other day? Whatever happened to Bobby's socks, Goldilocks and chicken pox? Whatever happened to building blocks? They fell along the way. Whatever happened to Peggy Sue, to Mary Lou and Jenny too? Whatever happened to Shoe Fly Shoe? It's not for me to say. Whatever happened to radio shows, runny nose, the seams in hose? Whatever happened to bashful bows? They fell along the way. Whatever happened to the swimming hole? Lick the bow, the father's roll. Whatever happened to the willow pole? They've gone another way. Whatever happened to the apple core? The creaky floor, the cellar door? Whatever happened to the corner store? It's not around today. Whatever happened to Kick the Can, Dangerous Dan, the family clan? Whatever happened to the gingerbread man? He's left and gone away. Whatever happened to common sense? The picket fence and mother's hints? Whatever happened to innocence? It fell along the way. Yes, it's a different world today.